Araw-araw ako sa Dasma. Ito yun. Araw-araw na sa bahay ko natin ko. 1.5 years she was in my house every single day. Tulog pa ako, nakataas na yung paanan ko sa sala ko. Pinapagpusan ko yung aircon para sa kanya, pinapaprepare ko breakfast. Bakit?
Saan daw sa Dasma?
Hindi. Sa bahay daw nila, I was there daw every day. Hindi totoo yun. I only went there 3 times. Tatlong.
Naguluto ka na.
That's not true. That's not true. Ano yun? Christmas party na Royal Villa, birthday ni Tita Annabelle, and another birthday. It's the only 3 times I stepped in that house. All lies. All lies. That's why nung unang interview ni Rufa na araw-araw ko ang tagal ko nang gusto sumagat ka. Ilang buwan na ako namin, like 6 to 8 months since they started talking. Hindi ako kumikibo. Kasi puro kasi nungaling na. I would even call them. Oy, nanay nyo ha, may dalang lechon dito sa bahay. Pag ito ay natake, huwag mo akong sisisihin. Ayaw makinig, ayaw inumin mga gamot. Even Raymond can attest to that. But did I? Hindi totoo. I took care of their mother when they couldn't.
She's insinuating. Well, she did not insinuate. She probably said the kids would call her, saying
That's not true. That's so impossible because my kids from the very beginning was aware. Why will they ask her for that when they have their father and their mother and they have their titas and their lola and everybody? That is not true. Of course she'll say that. Eh kung sabihin ko sa inyo si Lolly Nenveris tumatawag sa akin araw-araw hindi ng tulong kaya alis ko sila doon. Would you believe me? Diba? Depende na lang kung sino kausap niya. That's not true. Hindi totoo yun. Because my kids had everything that they needed. In the first place, nung pumirma ng kontrata, there was a down payment where they were able to start everything that they needed for showbiz. So, there's no reason to ask her for anything. Yun na lang ginagawa ng issue sa akin. Because like what I said, everything is about money. Money to her, ha? Not to me, to her.
everything is about money. Sa part of I would want to manage your children.
Money to manage, why did I sign with her? Like what I said, I had 3 very valid reasons why I trusted her to be the manager of my kids. One, Tito Dogs was still alive when he said na magpo-manage sila ni Ina, which was fine with me. It was his decision. I trust him so much. I don't trust, and I never trusted, and I don't think I'll ever trust anyone more than Tito Dogs in my life. 2, I always thought the true fact was the second mother to my children. I never doubted the friendship at all. Hindi ko man alam na aabot sa ganito to eh. I knew that, you know, that Rufa was there. She's one big factor why tinanggap ko si Annabelle as manager. 3, akala ko walang pwedeng kumukawa sa mga anak ko pag si Annabelle yung manager ko. Which I really thought. In the beginning, gano'n naman eh. Pag may umaway, talaga awayan eh. Pero to the point na sisirain mo ang pangalan ng future ng mga bata sa text message, text mo 100, 200 tao saying that ganito sila, na ganyan sila, na parang, di ba? To the point na you can read, nakamunch naman lahat ng text niya, yung mga tweets niya, pati lahat na nagkababuyan. I mean, what does, I want to know mga napkin, kinikwento niya. Parang niya nakita yun, di ba? Parang,